Channel today. In this video today, I want to talk to you about how to make money as an MC, as a master of ceremony, or as an Alaga Ijoko or Alaga Iduro. Now, many people have come to my channel and they have said all these businesses I'm talking about, it involves money. This one involves money. This one involves money. Now, this one does not involve any money. You don't need to pay. You don't need to buy anything. All you need to do is to get your clothes that you have been wearing before, good clothes, and then go and then you talk and then you do what you need to do and then they pay you and then you enjoy yourself and then you go, you make them laugh, you make the ceremony to go on fine and you enjoy yourself. By the way, if you want me to do an MC for you at weekends, at your wedding, at your events, I'm available and I'm going to do that for you. Now, you can get in touch with me and let me know, and then I am going to be of help to you in that regard. Now, let me give you the nitty-gritty of how to make money as an MC. Now, you you make people to laugh normally. Everybody can make people to laugh. Everybody have the potential to make people to laugh. Don't let anybody to tell you that you can't make people to laugh. Because you make people to laugh in your friends, they laugh. You say something, they laugh. Your family, you say something, they laugh. Your parents, you say something, they laugh. These people, you say something, they laugh. Even when you enter commercial bus, there are some things that are happening. Somebody, definitely you make somebody to laugh. That means you have the capacity to crack a joke. Now, as an MC, you must have a capacity to crack some joke, because the ceremonies like weddings, naming ceremony, birthday party, and many other ceremonies that you're going to be an MC or Alaga Ijoko or Alaga Iduro is a social event which is going to involve some laughter and is going to involve some merrymaking. So you must be able to bring out the tonic and the laughter in everyone as the event is proceeding. Nobody should leave the event sad. Nobody should be in the event sad. Everybody should open their 32 and showing it at the event because of the way you are going to coordinate things. Now, let me tell you what you're going to do if you are a new MC. Number one thing you need to do is that what you need to do is find out, just keep your ears down. Anybody that wants to celebrate a birthday party, want to do wedding ceremony, want to do any kind of ceremony, and they didn't invite you, you can volunteer and say, I'm going to be the MC there for free. I will do it for free. That is going to be my contribution. And then you use that, number one, as a test ground for you. It's going to help you to test ground, to keep the ground running, to know how to do it. Number two, you're going to use it to advertise yourself. Because when you do it, everybody that come, you tell them, this is my name, this is what I do. If you have events, call me. As you're doing inside of the ceremony, when you just put something, they are all laughing, kaka, then you put it, this is my name, or this is the event I am doing, or this is what I do. Anytime you have an event, call me. And write my number down. Take your phone. Raise it up. They will all raise it up because you have made them to laugh. And then you call your phone number. So you don't need to go and spend money printing business card. If you print business card, they will put it in their pocket, and that is why they will forget it. When they wash the clothes, they wash it off, and that will be all. Or they drop it somewhere, and that will be all. Yeah, business card can also go places, but the best bet is for them to have it on your phone. Anytime somebody say, I need somebody, they'll just say, this guy, save his number now, they'll call you. So that is how you're going to do it. Then when you're just starting, you're not going to charge much. First of all, you'll be doing it for free. Later, you say, even these people, they enjoy you. They say, you are paying these people, now let's pay you something. They're still going to start to pay you. Then when they pay you, gradually the price starts to go up. When you get so many customers, you raise the price. When customers start competing, you raise the price. And then if you also want to get job, you look at people that usually get jobs at events, or there's an event going on at a busy hall around where you live, and there are all somewhere just a stone throw, a particular hall close by. Every time they're having the event there, when the event is taking place, wear a good clothes, go there, you see the MC, go and meet him and introduce yourself to him that you too, you are an MC, so you can do it together. You will do it for free. He will go to welcome you, and then you'll be throwing it together. You'll be throwing it. The next time that money he's going to collect there, he will give you part of it. The food you will eat there, you will get part of it. Everything they give there, all the things they distribute there, you will get part of it, and you go home with money, with gifts, and you've also eaten. When that individual have that way, you exchange your number. When you have events, he's going to call you, and so on and so forth. So in Yoruba, it is called Alaga Iduro or Alaga Ijoko when it comes to wedding ceremony. Now, in the comment section for the Yoruba people, which one is in Alaga Iduro, Alaga Ijoko, one is the senior. So which one is the senior? Is it the Alaga Ijoko or Alaga Iduro? Drop it in the comment section. If you're not Yoruba, go and find out which one is the senior between Alaga Ijoko and Alaga Iduro, and then drop it in the comment section. So this way, this is how you start doing. Then you can start developing your talent along this line. You can sing because it's going to involve singing. So you go and learn different tribes, the Igbos, how do they do ceremonies? What do they used to say? You learn it, because if they invite you to an Igbo event, you can't just say you can't do it, you have to do it. Then the Yorubas also have different tribes. You go and learn it. Then before the event, they will tell you, which state is the wife from, which state is the woman from, which area. You find out. Then you find out what is their culture, how do they greet, how do they sing, what is their song. All these things you practice it before the day. On the day, you start throwing those things. You start throwing it out. All the people that come from the husband's family, and that is their language. All the people that come from their wife's family and their own language too, you are singing their language. They will call you and say, are you from our place? They will feel happy. They will feel at home. Everybody like people that speak their language. Everybody people that are in their religion. So you also find out their religion. If it's Muslim, go and learn all these tongues of the Muslim, all they like hearing. You go and learn it. You are an MC, it's your job. Even if you're a Christian, is for that job, you learn it, and then you say it, and then as you say it, they will is this person, is he a Muslim? He's not a Muslim, he's a Christian. They are going to like you the more. If you're also a Muslim, and then you are going to Christian, you are doing MC like this, and the people are Christian, you have to go and learn some of the Christian songs they are going to sing at the event, and then you have to know what the people like and what they don't like, and then what they like, you package it and you present it to them, and then from there you're going to get different jobs. You're going to get different jobs without dropping any money. You're going to be getting different jobs, and then that is how you make your money, and that is how you become popular, and that is why you go places. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. I will talk to you in the next one. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun. I bring you tips on how to make money, both online and offline, both with money and without money. This one now is without money. But you have to dress well, but you have to look good, you have to smell good, you have to know how to package yourself so that you can be able to sell. I will talk to you in the next. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and click the subscribe button. And if you have subscribed, oh my goodness, I thank you very much and high five. Now, what you're going to do for me is that this video that is popping up by the side is the next thing to see. Share this video with your family and friends. Let them know that something good is happening. If you are looking for scholarship, whether in USA, Canada, and China, and other countries, there's a channel I want you to go and check. Every day they post scholarship opportunities on that channel. It's also a YouTube channel. It is called Scholarship Advert. Scholarship Advert YouTube channel. Scholarship Advert. Scholarship singular advert singular YouTube channel. So check it out. You are going to be glad you did. My name again is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please go ahead and watch this next video right now. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.